Okay, so I decided to get on a little later today just to skip a little bit of that, um, skip some of that freaking market open craziness here. So let me mark out the first 15 minute here. Looks like it looks like that skipping out the first hour was a good decision because look at this freaking wick on the 15-minute mark. Right? So I'm probably gonna trade all of my accounts at once today. Trying to do that more, right? Let's see. Yeah, 40. So right now we're just ranging in this 15-minute range. Let's see if they want to push this back down again. This 5-minute chart, little doji to the upside here. Wick up, wick down, wicks either both ways. So be very careful. Let me look at Nvidia here. Nvidia gapped up. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia is trying to pump, is retracing now, but they're stuck at the EMAs. So the best trade I see right now is probably wait for price to get down here and maybe another reaction back up so I can long it back up. I mean, it hasn't made another high, so if this comes back down and make a lower low, we might want to short it if it makes a lower low here. Look at the hourly chart, very indecisive hourly candle right now. Wick up, wick down, very, very indecisive. If you look at the hourly, every time we hit this right here, we get resistance. There's resistance up here, very strong resistance too. Every time we hit 26,000, boom, boom. So got to keep that in mind. It's probably doing it again. So I'm not opposed to shorting this. But we can wait for the for a 9 o'clock candle close. Yeah, it looks like it wants to dump here just because we hit the resistance. We hit resistance, we swept internal highs, we swept yesterday's internal high. So maybe it wants to pull back down to the EMA here on the 1 hour and then push back up. But anyway, I'm not opposed to a long here. I mean, a short here if it breaks below VWAP. Has to break below here, but it's trying to dump now. We might get another push up. It's still trying to Trying to drop this here. If this makes another low, it's gonna give me some more confidence in a short if we go back up here. Let's see. I want him to sweep these lows. Oof. So there's some reaction here. A little rejection. Yeah, we got some lower highs here. If come on, we got to break through, make a lower low, and then that will give me more confidence to short at the top of this little range channel here. Draw it out. There you go. That's a little channel. It's something like that. Not even like. It's like this. Let's see. If I look at the daily here, let's look at the daily. We have not, like, we've been stuck here all freaking day, all month. Like, we've been stuck here for so long, like weeks. So I literally don't think we break out. Like, what makes us think that it's different today? Like, let's just play it dumb until it tells us otherwise, you know? So I am looking for a short here. All right, see the little push up. Give me a push up here. Then I'll short it. Like, so right now we're in the middle of this little range. I don't want to touch it here. You don't want to diddle in the middle. See if you have any news today. As of right now, no, not there's no more like big news for the day, so it should be good. Unemployment claims was 7 a.m. So news already passed. We should be green for the whole day to trade. Like, it should be good. There's a pump back up. So we didn't make a lower low. We didn't make a lower low. If this can make a higher high, maybe. trying to dump this here. If ES can give up the VWAP, we can dump lower. But if ES push up, I mean, we have to see if VWAP breaks the if ES breaks the VWAP here, because usually when that happens and Q follows, it's trying right now. Previous hour candle is trying to revisit these EMAs probably, or sweep these lows, internal lows. Um, yeah, look, this 15-minute candle also looks very bearish. See, so everything, I really do think it's a short here, but I want to short it up here. I don't want to short it down here, right? It's be patient. On the 5-minute, we're below the 5-minute EMA. Like, we're below the EMAs. The only thing in the way is the VWAP. So if we lose that VWAP, could be a drop here. It's a little dump. There's the dump. ES can lose the VWAP here. See if they want to yoke this back up really quickly. Already trying to wick it right here. They're already trying to wick it. Yeah, so we made another, it's a lower low now, right? Yeah, that's a lower low. So now up here is a prime target for me, right? I'm interested in a short up here. There you go. They're snapping it back up again here. So be very, very careful. Look at this. Nvidia right now, 1-minute chart, looks like a bombastic range, bro. Look, it's snapping back, made a lower low, snapping back. Let's see. is doing what I want it to do. This is what exactly you want to do. This is exactly what I wanted to do. It keeps bouncing in this range, right? So I'm gonna just trade this range until it tells me otherwise. So it made a lower low. It just tells me that there was enough selling pressure to make a lower low. So they see this range. And I'll have to say I'm pretty sure they see this too, right? So I'm gonna wait for it to sweep these highs, maybe, in order to go short. But they're looking like they're front running this. See, it might short it here. No, it looks like they want to yoke it up a little bit. I need a sweep of highs here to give bears more confident. If we sweep the highs and make a doji like this, like let's see. There's the pump. See if they go a little more here. It looks like they want to come up and sweep the highs. They can't just do this near, like. Selling pressures. Yeah, no. Not yet, not yet. The hourly real quick. They're trying to push it up again. Let's see here. Really trying to push it, but there's hella resistance up here. So look at the daily. There was a lot of volume yesterday. So today I would expect the same thing. All right, so let's see if they sweep the highs here. There's the push up. Push up. Starting it real early, bro. They're holding it here at the EMA. Is not good. Not good here. Let's see. I need a sweep of this trend line. Like, there we go. I need like some sort of weakness here. See how this candle closes. $20 seconds here. If this closes red here, damn. It's a green candle. Let's see.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna short it here. Stop above here. Looking for the lows. Looking for the lows. Oof. Still trying to reject. See how the next candle opens up. Oh, fuck. They're snapping it right back up, bro. Might exit here.
Order canceled. Order filled.
I'm just gonna exit here because they didn't want to follow through. Maybe if it comes up here one more time, I'll short it again. I should have took the 15 points, man. But I'm not opposed to shorting this one more time here. It looks very weak. All right, so maybe we get another push up. Here we go. It's looking like it. It's looking like it. They don't want to drop it here. 2, 1. There's the close. Yoking it up. Like one more sweep here. Yep. I think I exited. If this closes red here, this can't make a higher high here. Well, it could, but it can't go. Basically, it can't go higher than this candle right here. Then we'll probably be long at that point. Well, it depends on how this candle closes. Give it 12 seconds. Trying to push it.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
start one really quick. Look at it. Need to break these lows. Come on, break the lows. It's probably gonna sweep me out here. Ugh. Yeah, it looks like it wants to sweep these highs really quick. It has to go now. Kinda. Like it has to go now. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna sweep us out here. Tap me out here. Yeah, looks like they're going for it. Looks like they're going for it.
Order filled.
There we go. It's all right.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it one more time. There we go. Drop this.
Order
Take the
filled.
10. I'm gonna run this down here. Here we go. See if it runs these lows. Nice. They're trying to yoke this back up here. Nvidia is dumping right now, so keep going here. Let's see. Come up and sweep us one more time. Looks good here for a dump. Oh God, they're doing it again. Moving this down here.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order
It just
filled.
doesn't want to go, dude. I still think it's a short, bro. Still think it's short. I think it's a short, but look at this pump back up here. We just broke out of this little range, so at the top of this ORB here might be a little short opportunity. Damn. 15-minute. That looks, yeah, it looks very good. Still though, do we think we breaking out today of this major resistance zone? I don't know. But we have a really strong trend pre-market.
Order filled.
Try one more short here. Very nice, 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 nice. Let's see if it keeps going here. Needs to dump through the lows. Come on, dump through the lows. There we are. I'm gonna trail this down now. There it is, 30 points. It's still going. I'm gonna leave it at the top here. Come on. Take me. Can you take me higher? Lower. Take me lower. Come on. It's right there, bro. It's right there, bro. That's wild. Slow push back up. Let's see if we get some follow. That's a really nice little dump candle here. So I'm gonna take it right here. I don't like that push back up at all.
Order
I'm just gonna
canceled.
take the 15 points here.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we'll break even. Yeah, we'll break even now. Um. mm, 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 mm. Let's see if it fails to make a higher high. Yeah, well, it did. I did make a higher high. If it gets another wick down here. There it is. Look at that freaking dump back. Look at that freaking dump back. Why'd I exit so early? Oh my gosh. There's a break. Damn. They're trying to break the low again. See if they can push this back up a little bit here. Get a push back up a little bit at least. Come on. Okay, so the hourly now looks bearish. Waiting for this little push up, which I know is coming here. They did not make a lower low. Realizing that now. There's that little reaction. Pushing up again. Like the annoying price action. So today I'm probably just gonna scout like 20, 15 points. Let's try to go back up. God.
Order filled.
Trying to see if we can make our way back down here. There it is. Give me like 15 points. Oofy, oofy. Pushing it here. They're not dropping this. It's not good. If we were to go back down, it has to happen now, right? Boom, boom, boom. So irritating.
Order
So
filled.
freaking irritating,
Order
bro.
filled. Order filled.
Which side is getting a break first? Stuck in a bombastic range, bro. If we make a higher high here, that might be a long option. That 15-minute looks really nice. So let's see here. It's a higher high. If we make like a weak bearish bar here, I might short this back. Might want to go a little bit more here. Yeah, they're not wanting to push this up again. Let's see. Or it might go up a little bit more here. Take out the early impulsive sells. Then come back down. I do think we go back though. I don't think we break out. If we break out, then I'm fine with that too, right? Because the long looks way better here. But I realize that this is a range. So if it gives me a range trade, I will trade it. ES looks good for a dump though. They're trying to start a little downtrend again here. They're trying to reject off the highs again. Not gonna lie, if it does that, that's another good short, man. So let's see. It's pushed up. Damn. There's the bears coming back here. Shoddy.
Order filled.
Just gonna start one. Okay, let's see. Might add into the shorts here. He's still trying to pump, but let me see it here, man. If we lose this, it's okay. Yeah, might want to come up. Judging by the price action, maybe it sweeps us out one more time, which is so lame if they do that. That would be super lame here, bro. They need to drop this. Nice. As long as this candle doesn't close green here, we should be good on this trade. Just don't close it green. Hmm. Doot, 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 doot. Let it go, Bulls. Let it go. There's the breakdown. So now I'm going to move my stop to a little bit above here. After another dump, I will move it to break even here. It has to dump. That's the dump. There it is. Break even. Break me down. Break me down. Hit me out here. I don't care about the break of the lows. Just hit me out here, bro. Come on. $25 points. Take me out here. Come on. Super close. Super close. Are you serious? It's right there. It's right there. Please, bye-bye. Please, bye-bye.
Order
Thank
filled.
God. Holy moly. There it is. $30 points. Still in a range, I think, so. Look at the dump. Look at the dump. If we make a lower low, if we don't make another lower low, and we go back up, we gonna keep trading this range until it tells us otherwise, dude. Like, 15 minutes to the close of this hourly. So this might be it. Let's see, we get one more sweep here. It might long this back up for a few points.
Order filled.
Just a few points here. Just a few points.
Order filled.
Oof, and it dumped. It dumped. There it is. There's the dump. There is the dump. I tried a little long back up. Didn't work. Did not work, guys. So it might just flush through the floor now. It's a very strong. Okay, so ES is through the VWAP, which is very nice. ES is through the VWAP. Good golly. Already trying to bounce this here. See, this was the long I wanted to do, right? That's the quick 10 points right there from the lows. But fuck. See, we get down here. I'll short it again. I mean, long it. Oh my goodness. Fudge. Yeah, so this looks like a short here.
Order filled.
See, we didn't want to drop this more here. ES is stuck in the bottom at below the VWAP, giving me I'm kind of confident since the ES is down there, right? So there's no reaction on the ES right now. Oh my god. Trying to snap this back up again already. See if we can sweep the 800s. You need to drop here.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order
I
filled.
took that 10 points. I keep break evening. Like, it keeps on. Look at this rejection. Such a strong reaction on the top side that I don't think we V shape up here. If the ES can stay below the VWAP, which it's trying to do right now, which it is, it's below the VWAP. Might be some downside on the way. See why I took that profit, right? Look at it. Yeah, so it's kind of respecting the EMAs here. Maybe it won't. It wants wait for another push up here. The 5-minute here. 5 minutes trying to inverse right now. Get it? So we swept the lows here, internal lows, but let me see. Look at the hourly. There could be more room to the downside. Maybe it's a 750. Maybe the 750 here. Pushing right back up. Let's see if we break these highs right here of the previous 5-minute bar. Might be a long, but there it is. A reaction now. Little reaction back up. Back down, I mean. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's fucked the lows. Oh my gosh. S trying to reverse here, but we needed to reject. We needed to reject right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's pushing right back up here. This needs to reject like around here, like right now, if you want to continue lower. If not, then they might just yoke it all the way back up here to the top of this range, which is then we for sure know today is some bullshit. Today is some bullshit. Whoa, what? Holy moly, bro. Freaking God candle. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening today? Look at this bullshit 1 hour candle. So is this the push back up to break the highs here, or are we still gonna range once we hit the highs? So let's see. So at the 5 minute, there's that little line I want to see get respected here. So right now I just gotta wait for a 5 minute. 5 minute candle to close red. Or to close weak, right? But So if I'm looking at the 5 minute now, right? And if you, oh, that's hour. If you look right after a 5 minute weak candle of the highs here, it shows like a 5 minute, like a weakness candle, basically like a little indecision candle, bearish candle after the sweep of the highs, right? So it just tells me to just wait for a 5 minute closure and see if this little pattern continues, right? A rangy market, so we're gonna trade the range. We need some weakness here. Can't just short it, right? Yeah, we need some weakness. If you close below this trend line. Yeah, so the ES, let's look at the ES here. Nvidia is also ranging like a mug. ES push back to the highs here. I just like shorts, guys, because of these previous. If I look to the left, look at these. Look at this major resistance point. Like, I just like shorts, right? If you look to the left, look to the left. This is the area we've been stuck in the whole week, whole month, actually. Like, so, like shorts here. It just has to show some weakness. Mm. 15 seconds to the close of this 5 minute. It's closing bullish here, very bullish. Is just a pump back up here, or is faking out? Gonna trap some longs here to go lower here. I guess what I'm scared of, right? Show me something, NQ. They're looking to short this back down here. They look there. Nope. Wait for this 5 minute close here. If it's closed bearish, then we get like a push up with a bearish reaction. I'm not opposed to entering. I really do not think. I don't think we break out today, right? At least not in the next couple hours. Maybe overnight, but yeah, we. I don't think we break out. Like personally, right? We got 2 minute and 50 seconds here on the close of this 5 minute candle. If it closes, if it closes weak here, like maybe towards the bottom of this trend line, um, might be a good short opportunity for us. The bear's coming back here. Got about 2 minutes on this 5 minute bar here. Let's just wait for the close. See what to do next. Go turn my fan on. It's hot in there. See. See. This is why we wait for the 5 minute to close, man. Let's see if they pop it to bring it back down here, or they continue with this trend. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. It's rejecting again here. Let's see. See, the thing is, they haven't swept the highs. Like these here, it gives a little wick to the downside, a little wick to the downside, wick to the downside, wick to the downside. This has not given us a wick, but it has closed bearish right here. So not opposed to shorting this if we get a wick down.
Order
Fuck
filled.
it. I'm gonna just start one. I'm gonna start one here. Just playing this range, man. No, no, no. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, this looks very good. Oh, there it is. So there's a yoke back up. Let's see. Exactly why I exited, man. But if I had held it, it would have gotten me. I would have hit my TP actually. Once we hit up here and then we reject one more time, I just need a wick to the downside, or yeah, the top side wick of a 5-minute candle, preferably, but it don't have to be 5-minute. Like maybe we sweep the tops here and just come back down, because I do think we come back down. So Nvidia, it's a very, very nice little trend, downward trend that is on right now, and it's currently trying to reject the EMAs, which is a very, very good sign for shorts. Let's see, we got a sweep of the highs here for me to enter back short. Trying to short this again here. Okay, so that's 2 red candles in a row here on the 5. It's about to close in 10 seconds. I would expect a little bit more of a bounce here at the. Let me see. If we get a green candle push up. Nope, you're not. Maybe we close below here.
Order filled.
And start one. Just because we had 2 red candles in a row, right? Let's see if it's drop a little bit. If this is gonna continue lower, jeez, this was what I should have shorted this. might add to this here. I might add to this here. Indecision here. No, it doesn't look very good here, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's gonna pop and take me out to go lower. Insane. Insane in the membrane. I'm gonna be very surprised if this doesn't take me out here. I'm gonna be very surprised. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Insane. Okay. Let's wait for this 5-minute close, man. See, Nvidia is trying to go back to the downside, man. It's just there's the highs, right? Let's wait for this 5-minute close. 5-minute closure. I hate that they did that, bro. It's trying to push again. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there it is. That's a rejection of the highs. Pushing it back up. Still need a sweep. Give me a wick on the top of a 5-minute bar. This might be a long. Let's wait for that 5. If I want a short here, I need to wait for that 5-minute. I can't just enter here because it looks very good. Like logically, it looks like a long, right? But today it's not logical. So It's a rejection. Let's wait for this 5-minute closure. Two-minute here for the 5-minute close. Let's that pop back up here. Okay, so it's a higher high. Okay, ES is pumping. ES made a higher high. Nvidia just hasn't, so Nvidia stuck still at the range, bottom of that range, stuck at the EMAs still. Like, yeah. Need some weakness here on the top. Still think it's a short. I don't think we break out. Like, it's tough though. That pattern on the 1-minute chart looks very nice. The little trend line. There it is. The 5-minute EMA crossed too. It is. I'm liking this. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes to close here. Rejecting again is what I like to see. 3-minute on this 5-minute bar. So for the closure of the 5-minute bar here, we wait for this closure. It's 10:30. Let's see the hourly here. Okay. Yeah, the hourly is trying to put in the wick on the top, and we didn't. We failed to break the highs We didn't. Of this one right here. We didn't break the high. Right when we got there, we got rejected. Yeah. I mean, of this previous hour candle, we did not break the highs. This 5-minute candle, if it's closed as bearish, there might be some downside coming. Some all the way back down, maybe. That's a possibility. Okay, so nice rejection here. Pushing back up. So we broke the low of the previous 5-minute bar. Let me see, we got to push up here. Oh, trying to keep this range going here. You're trying to keep this range alive. There's a push back up from the bulls. 58 seconds on the close of this 5-minute candle. Wait for that. Damn, that 5-minute looking is still bearish, but it's kind of weak. Trying to push it here.
Order filled.
Gonna short that. Possibly to the break of this. If we get a push up, I might add into this. Just trying to push back up again. Getting another push here. So that 5-minute candle took out the previous 5-minute candle. So that's part of the reason why I'm shorting here.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna add on to that. They only added one contract to one account here. That's not ideal. Needs to dump here.
Order submitted.
Put a buy limit right here for one of the contracts. Then I'll run the other one. I'll trail the other one. Breakdown is breakdown right now. Nice. There it is. Tap me out my first target.
Order filled.
There we go. Now I'm gonna trail this to the top. Move it to break even now. They're trying to pop this back up already. Let's do this right here. Let's see if we can get any. We can get it lower here. They might want to visit this VWAP. Would not be surprised. Break even that. Don't matter. If it stops me out here, it stops me out. They're not dropping it here. Not a good sign. Um,
Order
I was like, how did that not stop me out?
Order filled.
God damn, bro. We just keep break evening. So another push up here.
Order filled.
Went for a short there. So hopefully, just don't want it to break the highs here. Breaks the highs, I'm out. Kind of an impulsive entry. That's stupid. Oh, Nvidia's breaking out too. This is not good. Let's see. Give me a push back down here. It's a nice rejection off the highs here. Eight.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Sheesh, 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 sheesh. What the?
Order filled.
This is really tough. Really, really tough. Like, So Nvidia is above the EMAs now on the 1 minute chart. There's the rejection. Goddamn. Golly. They don't want to drop it here, man. Hour chart closes in 15 minutes to be the 11 o'clock candle. And there is a pop back up here. Ugh. This might be a long, man. Let's see. We got 3 minutes on the close of this 5 minute candle here. If this can close bearish. Wait for this 3 minute candle. I'm at 5 minute. I see. 2 minute on the 2 more minute on the 5 minute closure. Um, they're trying to dump this now. Getting some reaction up here, which is perfect. This 5 minute bar has to close bearish though. But they're this might be the pump here. Wow. Yeah, I don't think we're in a range anymore, right? So, I mean, it's pushing, but it's not. Nvidia is trying to push too. Let's see if this can make a higher high, man. Rejection. I don't know. It's still pushing here. Let's see if we pop the highs and come back. Yeah, so Nvidia just broke out. Above the 5 minute EMA. Bears look very weak here. Like, it's getting rejected just like that. The 5-minute closes in about 1.5 minutes. If this closes bearish here, yup. It's a little. There's the rejection I wanted to see. All we need to do, maybe a little push back up. Close this candle. Like, look at this. If we break these, like we're going low, we break the little trend, bullish trend line right here. $27 seconds to the close of a 5-minute candle. Look at it. Still very indecisive. Maybe if it closes closer to this trend line. There it is. 5 seconds. There it is. It looks like it might flush here. Let's wait for a pushback up. If it breaks this trend right here, way more confirmation. Come down and break it. Oh, there it is. There's the break. There's the break. Still trying to push this. $30 seconds. Okay, if the ES can close below the 1-minute EMA here. On the 21 EMA in the 1-minute chart. It's respecting the trend line, bro. Pushing up again. Struggling to push up here. So the new 1 hour chart. No, the new 1 hour candle about to close. The hour candle's about to close in 2 minutes, right? So I want to see what the next candle open does. Might just dump here. Usually it does dump, or it goes the opposite direction of what the previous candle did. So let's see. A minute and 30 seconds on the close. It is hourly. So ES is kind of struggling to push back up. Nope, nope, it's not. Okay, if this makes a higher high, I might be interested in the short. I mean, a long if it comes back down to this trend line. If this makes a higher high here, and if it doesn't and it rejects it, and it gets rejected here, yeah. Rejecting here. Okay. Can we get a wick on the top here? I'll enter after that, if we do. So that 1 hour candle is trying to push. Maybe it pushes up a little bit and comes back down, puts a wick on the top side of the 1 hour candle. Because the 1 hour, if it's going to pull back, it has to put a wick in on the top first, which is probably what it's trying to do here. But look at this line. There it is. Something is going to happen. Let's see if it rejects again. If this fails to make a higher high, it'll be even better for a short here. But it looks like it wants to run the highs. Not doing anything, dude. Brother. Do we get a push here? Volume just freaking died off a cliff. It's like no volume. Still pushing it. Is rejecting again. It's the rejection. Let's wait for this 5 minute. Yeah, it looks like a doesn't look like a range anymore, man. But we're still stuck at the highs, man. Like we're stuck here at the highs. It doesn't want to go. So what does that mean? If it doesn't want to go, it has to go back down. It want to go up. It don't want to go up. It has to go back down. That's how it works. If it was gonna go, it should go already, you know? Here's the highs. Oh my gosh, man. So on the 15-minute chart, there hasn't been a single red candle. They keep rejecting it up here, right? So like this 5-minute chart is just a very clear channel, right? I don't. It's coming back down now, though. You know. So as soon as a 5-minute candle, right, closes bearish, like maybe below the previous five. See if it can come down and close below the previous 5-minute candle. Nvidia is now flirting with the EMAs below it now, getting held up under the EMAs, which is a very good sign if you're a bear. It looks like they want to dump it here, or maybe like a deep pullback. Wait for this 5 minute to close. Nvidia is now under the EMAs. Okay. See, we got to push back up here. We got 2 minutes. And it's just dropping here. Nice. Okay. We just broke that channel to the downside here. Let me see if we can get like a push. The hourly chart is trying to make its way back down. We got to push back up because we're at the EMAs on the 5-minute chart here. See, I was gonna wait for that 5-minute, but look at this 5-minute chart. It's just retraced the whole way. So this can be just a dump to the downside here, man. See if this pushes back up here.
Order filled.
It's gonna start one. I'm gonna add here. We get up here and reject. I might just. It's a lot of selling pressure currently. It's been consolidating the whole time. See if it pushes back up, I can add here. See, the should keeps dropping. Let's see, I'm gonna add here if we push back up. Look at the 5 here. We're below the 5. We're below this, so like there's no reason we bounce unless we hit the VWAP right down here, right? So I'm gonna just place my buy right there. See if this drops. I should get back up. The EMA's just crossed on here, so I mean, huh. Let's look at the hour here. Yeah, I think we do go back down to this. I'm not gonna lie here. Let's see. I don't like this reaction back up. Yeah, I do not like that reaction back up. See if I can add here. Don't like these wicks back up here. We can break below this this candle. I think we'll be good. We're in the clear here to drop at least 10 more points here. We got to break below this candle. There's the break of the low. Need to break lower here. Ugh, I don't want to do that bullshit where it just comes up, break, take me out. Just to go lower. Right, that's so lame if it does that. finding support here. Not good. Drop it. My entry was at basically the resistance now. At this point, so they don't want to push it up. They're not letting it go any higher. Dang, he just needs to drop, man. Just flirting with it. Drop this here. It's probably one of the longest trade I've ever been in, bro. Here we go. This candle can close bearish here. We can move our stop down. Oof.
Order canceled.
It's gonna exit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Tough spot. It's a rough little spot, man.
Order filled.
Liking that. I think I have a little more downside here. A little more downside here. Oh my gosh. We have room. We have a little bit more room to go, man. I know we have a little bit more room to go to the VWAP here. I'm just scalping to the VWAP. Nice. Super close. Come on, man.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Break even again. Oh my god. Uh, so I'm just gonna get off for today. Um, we just keep on. I mean, I'm at break even at this point. Like, yeah, nothing for me to say. It's just today's been a rough day. We've been fighting for our lives all day. So I'm gonna get off. See you tomorrow. Break even day. Maybe I take some more trades offline. I don't know, but I'll give it like 30 more minutes. But it's a rough day. Yep. There's a couple trades I should have definitely held and won, and there's a couple trades where it was pretty impulsive. So not the best day, but it's me. We'll break even. I'll take it.